Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. And today, in our back to school episode, we are going to be learning 10 essential back to school words to help you. Maybe you're going back to school, or maybe you have a little one who's going to school and you want to learn how to say those words. This is basic English, so let's get started. First word, school. 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 A place where someone goes to learn new things. School. My little sister starts school next week. School. Next word, teacher. 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 A person who gives information or teaches someone something. Teacher. I am an English teacher. Teacher. Next word, classmate. 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 A person who you study with. Classmate. My classmate's name is Sarah. Classmate. Next word, book. 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 A collection of pages that is on a certain topic. Book. Did you bring home your math book for your homework? Book. Next word, notebook. 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 A book with blank pages for you to write on them. Notebook. Did you take notes in your notebook? Notebook. Next word, pencil. 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 A long piece of wood with graphite to write with. Pencil. A pencil is a necessary item to take to school. Pencil. Next word, eraser. 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 An eraser helps you correct your mistakes with a pencil, and it is usually made out of rubber. Eraser. Please pass me the eraser. I made a mistake. Eraser. Next word, backpack. 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 A bag placed on your back that you take to school with your school supplies. Backpack. What kind of backpack are you using this year? A black one or a blue one? Backpack. Next word, classroom. 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 A room where you will receive your class. It has desks and chairs, and it's where the teacher works. Classroom. Where is your classroom? My classroom is down the hall. Classroom. Desk. desk, desk. A small or large table where you can sit and write notes or read books inside a classroom. Desk. Please sit down at your desk so you can listen to the class. Desk. Okay, so those are the 10 vocabulary words. Let's go ahead and see how well you remember the new vocabulary. Let's do an exercise. What's this? It's a book. It's a book. It's a book. Don't forget the article a when we're talking about one thing. It's a book. Very good. Next one. Who is he? Who is he? He's a teacher. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Again, we've got the article a. We need to use the article a when we are talking about something in specific and one thing. Teacher, a book. Very good. Next one. Where is the student? Where is the student? The student is in the classroom. The student is in the classroom. Here we have a different article, the. The can be pronounced the or the. The student is in the classroom. Could we say the student is in a classroom? Yes. Yes, you could. The student is in a classroom. When we use the, we're being very specific. The student in it is in the classroom, this particular classroom. But we could also say the student is in a classroom. But maybe this classroom is the science classroom. So we would need to use the. Okay, let's try another one. What is this? What is this? This is an eraser. This is an eraser. Wait a second. An is not a. Would you say a eraser? No, we don't want to say a eraser. Eraser starts with E. E is a vowel. And when we talk about vowels, we need to use an to break up that sound of double vowels. So here we would say this is an eraser. This is an eraser. Very good. Good job. So let's do the lightning round. Really quickly, see if you can name these different things as they pop up. What is this? Good job. What is this? Excellent. What is this? Yes. What's this? Very good. And what's this? Awesome job. You did great. I hope you enjoyed this short class, and now you know how to say some basic school vocabulary words. I'll see you in the next video when we say hello to the teacher. If you know how to say hello to the teacher, go ahead and write it in the comments below. Until next time, see you later.